Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Every time we have to travel, there's a whole box of cables that we have to sort through. Some charging bricks have Type-C heads, some have Type-A, some have both. Some cables have Type-C charging, and some have Type-A heads, some are C2C. Then there's the same challenge with Apple devices. There's a whole combination of Type-C or USB-A or Lightning chargers. Today, we're checking out the xCool 4-in-1 100-watt USB-C cable. A versatile and powerful charging solution for all your devices. I was sent 2 cables by xCool to unbox and review. I have used these cables for about a month and they have literally taken away my cable management pains. Owned by Makeblock, a leading tech company in the field of educational robots, laser cutting, and engraving, Gadget is an emerging multi-brand online store that selects and sells innovative products with good design for daily use. In 2023, they launched their own brand, xCool, to provide more high-quality items, and all the xCool products are originally designed by their own team. First up, let's take a look at the packaging. Inside the box, you'll find the xCool 4-in-1 100-watt USB-C cable neatly coiled and ready for action. The package is sleek and minimal, reflecting the quality of the product inside. The xCool 4-in-1 cable is designed for maximum convenience. It features USB-C, USB-A, USB-C fast charging, and Lightning connectors, allowing you to charge multiple devices with a single cable. Whether you're charging your smartphone, tablet, laptop, or any other USB-powered device, the xCool 4-in-1 cable has you covered. The universal compatibility makes it an essential accessory for anyone on the go. Another standout feature of this cable is its fast charging capability. With up to 100 watts of power, you can quickly charge your devices and get back to what matters most. No more waiting around for your battery to fill up. Durability is another key aspect. The xCool cable is built to last with a robust and flexible design that can withstand daily wear and tear. The braided exterior adds an extra layer of protection, ensuring it stays in great shape even with frequent use. Whether you're at home, in the office, or traveling, the xCool 4-in-1 cable is the perfect companion. Its versatility means you only need one cable for all your devices, reducing clutter and making your life easier. In addition to charging, this cable also supports fast data transfer, so you can quickly sync your files and keep everything up to date. The thoughtful design and premium materials make it not just functional but also stylish. In summary, the xCool 4-in-1 100-watt USB-C cable is a powerful, versatile, and durable solution for all your charging needs. It is the perfect accessory to keep your devices powered up and ready to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Have you tried the xCool 4-in-1 cable? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. See you in the next video.